Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove old transition metals, and we're going to do it a couple different ways. One is if you have to remove it without damaging the existing floor, and the other one is if you're going to reinstall a new floor and it doesn't matter, you just need to get it out of there. So I'm going to break down both ways for you. Check this out. Now in this particular case we are putting a new floor down, so we can get all kinds of hacky with this if we want. And we're going to, but let's assume this was a brand new floor and you just had to swap out this metal. You don't want to do anything to damage this, so you could use a basic claw hammer, pull the carpet out of it, and then just get it into the lip of the metal there, and pull onto the carpet side, and just work your way down. See, and that way we're not doing any damage to this side. Now, like I said, in this particular case, we are putting a new floor in, so you could use a couple different tools for this. You could use just a simple pry bar, a flat chisel, a 5-in-1, basically anything flat that you have around the house, and a hammer. I'm gonna go with the pry bar and a hammer here, and we can just go on this side. Everywhere we see a nail, we are just gonna stick the pry bar there and pull it up. Work our way all the way down. And this is a wood subfloor, so overall it's going to come up pretty easy for us. And we're installing vinyl planks on this job. So we are actually going to change all the transitions to vinyl transitions that match the planking. So there won't even be any metal getting reinstalled on this one. Now if you need to know how to install carpet metals, gripper metals, flat metals, things like that, I have countless other videos. I'll try to link up to those after this one. Let's see. Less than a minute, you can have those popped out and ready to rock. So, if you have any questions about the flooring industry, comment below. I'll create a video just for you answering that, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in.